Hey, all your viewers to be named later. How we doing today? Well, it's finally here. I know. Got a big box. The PMP Prep Box for May has been long overdue. Well, it's finally here. Alright, we're going to get to all the fun stuff here in a sec. I don't know how to say it other than this. It shouldn't have to wait till the beginning of June for the box to get here. I get with COVID, I get with post office, I get with shipping. Alright? I get how things have messed up, but it just seems to be the ship times are getting further and further out. So, am I going to have to wait till the middle of July to get June's box? I just... Sorry, Jason. I got to get that out. I really do. It's frustrating. You know, I've had a couple people message me before I shot this video going, hey, you know, where's the stuff? But without any further ado, I don't have a packing list, guys. He didn't include one. So I'm not going to be able to give you really values or anything else or compare it to anything, but I'm going to show you what came in the box. Yeah, okay. So, let's start it out. Glow sticks. 12-hour glow sticks. Okay. I get it. I get they can be very helpful. I get for signaling. I get for marking. I get for illumination when you need them. Cheap, affordable, one and done. I get it. So, you get two. Looks like we got a headlamp by Streamlight. 180 lumens. Looks like it just kind of clips on a hat. You know, I love how good this will charge before use. Well, yeah, you know, you want to make sure you got power, right? And yeah, guys, I'm in the alternate filming room today, so forgive the weird stuff in the background, okay? So next item up is flashlight. What's it got? It says super bright LED, runtime 2.25 hours, momentary blink, comes with its own battery. And I don't see, like, the lumens on the back. Oh, wait. 45 lumens. So, probably like another Moonlight little special thing. We'll put that out to a test, and I'll have a further review on that and the headlamp. I mean, we all know glow sticks, right? Alright. And the last item in this month's box, I guess it's a massive flashlight by Browning. This thing's got... What did I see here? There we are. On high, 915 lumens, so that's like a huge, like, bright old spotlight with a floodlight. And on low, it's 50 lumens. Highest setting, it'll run for about 2 hours, and low, it'll run for about 30. Don't know the price. Like I said, no packing list. And no, I'm not looking it up online. I just got back from my mailbox, so there it is. So, that's your prep box. I don't know if it's worth $100. I don't know. Seriously, a box full of flashlights? Alright. Now this month, as I always do, I got, you know, the budget blade box and the better budget blade box. Well, my problem is I don't know which one's which. Okay? So I'm just going to show you both the blades. And y'all can go from there. I'm assuming, because it's real steel, this is the better budget blade box. And this appears to be the Forager. Neat little leather sheath. That was a bear to get open. And I'm betting that's the steel. The 14C28N. But, there we go. Interesting little blade. Feels really sharp right out of the box. But we'll have a full review on this coming up. And if this is the better, then this must be the budget Condor. And it appears we got the Bush Glider knife in black. So, you know, little plastic sheath with a little belt thing. For some reason, seriously, that just reminded me of a Mora right away. I really don't like the part right here where you only get a little bit of a grip on it. But there she is. We will have a full review on this up on the website later. Well, I should say online. Looks to be, yeah, their usual 1095 high carbon steel. Looks to be like a black stonewashy finish, but guys, wow. I'm not sure if you can see that too well in there. Okay, I don't know if that's just the way the finish turned out or whatever, but it looks just... looks kind of mangled. I mean, the blade seems... You know, when I run my finger over it, it doesn't feel bad, but it just... Like I said, it just, like right there. But, okay, so that's everything on all the different levels. I gotta admit, for the first time since I've been doing the PMP Prep Box, I'm not happy with the box at all. I'm not. Are there useful items in there? Sure. You know, my better half has already claimed this because she's a courier driver, and when it starts getting dark early and, you know, those weird kind of nights, it's going to help her be able to locate things. I just... No packing list, long wait time, everything. I know there's going to be some of you out there who are going to love this box. I know there's going to be some of you who think it's going to be the greatest box ever. For me, it's just an absolute fail. It really, truly is. You know, I'm sure I'm going to like the fixed blades, and if I don't, they're going to be a giveaway to someone. I got plenty of glow sticks. I've got enough flashlights, and I really don't use a headlamp. I really never have, but maybe I'll just need to with this one, test it out and see what's going to go on. Never really heard of stream light, to be honest. I haven't. I've been sticking with O-lights and mag lights for a very, very long time. But before I go off on too much of a rant, guys, you know, I want to know. Leave your questions, comments, hatred, love, whatever down below in the comment section. I want to know what you think. You know, was this worth the extended wait time to you if this was your first box? If this was your first box, would you be excited to get this box? You know, as someone who's been doing this for a while, I've already got a mass collection of stuff, and unfortunately, I look at things a little bit differently when I'm getting a box in. I don't see a wow factor. I don't see a I want to buy more factor. I've already paid for June, but like I said in my channel update last month, I'm probably ending all of my subscription boxes because I'm burnt out on them. And that's the only way I can put it, is I'm just burnt out on them. But still, guys, I'm going to cut this video. You know, you're going to see the usual stuff popping up on the side. Sorry, yeah. Frustrated beyond all belief. And before I say anything really, truly stupid, I'm just going to cut this video.